Hello everyone. So today we will study construction of analytic functions, and for construction of analytic functions Milne's method is used. Okay. It is a very important method and it is asked for 7 marks in the GTU exam. Okay, one question of Milne's method is compulsory asked. So please pay attention in this method. Okay, so let us see there are two cases. One is for the real part and the another case is for the imaginary part. Okay, so case 1 for the real part. If the real part of u of f of z is given, that is real part means u plus iv hoy. So u is our real part. Okay, so whenever we have to find for u, it means that we have to use the case 1. So if the real part u of f of z is given, then the first step is, now the first step of this method is you have to find del u by del x and del u by del y. Okay, you all know how to find del u by del x and del u by del y. Then the another step, that is second step, will be after finding del u by del x and del u by del y, you have to find f dash of z. Okay, and you know f dash of z is equal to del u by del x plus I del v by del x. Okay, this is the formula of f dash z, that is f dash of z is equal to del u by del x plus I del v by del x. And that is equal to del u by del x minus I del u by del y. હવે આ જે del v by del x છે એની જગ્યાએ del u by del y કઈ રીતના આવ્યું? તો કે by using CR equations, Cauchy-Riemann equations. Because we know that del u by del x, what are Cauchy-Riemann equations? That is del u by del x equal to del v by del y and del u by del y is equal to minus del v by del x. Okay, so here in place of del v by del x, we can put minus del u by del y. From this condition, we can put del u by del x equal to minus del u by del y. Okay. So by using CR equations, આપણે અહીંયા del v by del x છે એ del u by del y ને equal થાય છે. So here in place of del v by del x, we have put minus I del u by del y. Okay, because according to CR equations, del v by del x is equal to minus del u by del y. Okay, so this is the form which you have to use in the second step. Then after finding f dash of z, you have to go for the step number 3. So what is the step 3? You have to put x equal to z and y equal to 0 in f dash of z. f dash z ની અંદર એ જે ઇક્વેશન તમને મળ્યું હશે એમાં x જ્યાં હશે ત્યાં z પુટ કરવાનું અને y હશે ત્યાં 0 પુટ કરવાનું. Okay, so that will be your step 3. Then comes step 4. Then you have to integrate f dash of z to obtain f of z. This will be your f dash of z only. પણ આમાં શું કર્યું આપણે? x equal to z અને y equal to 0 put કર્યું. But we have to find f of z. So we will integrate this f dash of z to obtain f of z. So that will be your fourth step. Fourth step શું થશે કે આ જે વેલ્યુઝ પુટ કરી દઈએ પછી જે ટર્મ મળે એને ઇન્ટિગ્રેટ કરવાની. So finally we will get f of z. Now similarly there is case 2 for the imaginary part. That is, if imaginary part, that is v, કેમ કે u plus iv છે એમાં imaginary part v નો છે. So if the imaginary part v of f of z is given, then you have to use this part, case 2. So again the step 1 will be you have to find del v by del x and del v by del y. Okay. So in second step you have to find f dash of z, that is equal to del u by del x plus I del v by del x again. But here by using CR equations, in place of del u by del x you have to put del v by del y. Okay, CR equations प्रमाणे del u by del x is equal to del v by del y. So here in place of del u by del x I can put del v by del y. So we will get here del v by del y plus I del v by del x. So જ્યારે પણ imaginary part આપેલું હોય, v find કરવાનું કીધું હોય, then you have to use this form. Okay. Then both the steps are same as we did in the real part. That is step 3 is you have to put x equal to z and y equal to 0 in f dash of z. And then in order to find f of z, you have to integrate f dash of z. Okay. So now let us see the examples of this method. Okay. So example 1. Find the analytic function f of x equal to u plus iv, but here u is given, that is x cube minus 3xy. As here u is given, we will use the case 1, that is real part. Real part is given. So our step 1 will be, you have to find, what will be your step 1? You have to find del u by del x and del u by del y. So del u by del x શું આવશે? 3x square minus 3y, and del u by del y will be minus 3x. Okay, you all know how to find del u by del x and del u by del y. Then step 2 will be, you have to find f dash of z. Okay, so f dash of z શું થશે? Del u by del x plus I del p by del x. પણ આની જગ્યાએ આપણે શું પુટ કરતા હતા? Del u by del y minus del u by del y. So our equation will be del u by del x minus I del u by del y. Okay, according to this method. So del u by del x is 3x square minus 3y, so you have to substitute here, and del u by del y is equal to minus 3x, so you have to put here, and solving it you will get f dash of z in the second step. Okay, now what was your third step? Step 3 is you have to put x equal to z and y equal to 0. You have to put x equal to z in the f dash of z and y equal to 0 in f dash of z. So f dash of z માં x ની જગ્યાએ z પુટ કરીએ તો એ શું થઈ જશે? 3z square. અને અહીંયા y equal to 0 પુટ કરીએ તો this term will be 0. And here we will get I 3, and here in place of x we will put z. So we will get 3z square plus 3iz. So we got f dash of z. Now we have to go for the step 4. What is your step 4? You have to integrate f dash of z to obtain f of z. You have to integrate with respect to z. So f of z આપણે જોતું હોય તો f dash of z ને integrate કરીએ છીએ. So integrating this term we will get integration of z square is z cube by 3, and integration of z is again z square by 2, so you will get f of z. So this is your final answer. Okay, and we have to find the analytic function. So this is our analytic function. Okay, so whenever you are given the real part and you are asked to find the analytic function, you have to use this method. Okay, so now example 2. Construct the analytic function whose real part is u equal to x cube minus 3xy square plus 3x square minus 3y square plus 1. So again the real part is given, so our u is given. So our step 1 will be, we have to find del u by del x and del u by del y. You all know how to find del u by del x and del u by del y. Then in step 2, you have to find f dash of z. Okay, so again using the formulas of real part, we will get del u by del x minus I del u by del y. Then here we have to substitute the values. Del u by del x and del u by del y જે આપણને મળ્યું હોય અહીંયા પુટ કરી દઈએ તો આપણને શું મળશે? 3x square minus 3y square plus 6x minus I into minus 6xy minus 6y. Okay, so this was your step 2. Now step 3 is you have to put x equal to z and y equal to 0 in f dash of z. So here if I put in place of x z, then we will get 3z square plus 6z plus I into 0. કેમ કે આ બંને ટર્મમાં y છે, y 0 છે, so આ બંને ટર્મ કેવી થઈ જશે? 0. So I into 0 is 0. So we got only this term, and in the last step, that is step 4, you have to integrate f dash of z to get f of z. So f of z will be integration of f dash of z, and f dash of z શું છે 3z square plus 6z, and integrating it we get 3z cube by 3 plus 6z square by 2. So our f of z will be z cube plus 3z square plus c. So this is the answer of this example. Okay. So moving towards the next example. Example 3. Find the analytic w equal to u plus iv is given, whose imaginary part is given by v equal to e raised to x, x sin y plus y cos y. Okay, here imaginary part is given, so we will use case number 2. Okay, but so our step 1 will be, we have to find del v by del x and del v by del y. And you all know how to find del v by del x and del v by del y. So after getting this value, you have to go for the step number 2, that is f dash of z is equal to del u by del x plus I del v by del x. But by using CR equations, del u by del x ની જગ્યાએ શું આવી જશે? Del v by del y. So our final equation will be del v by del y plus I del v by del x. હવે આપણને આ જે બંને વેલ્યુ મળી છે આમાં આપણે પુટ કરી દઈએ. Then we will get this form. We will get this f dash of z. Now if we put, according to the third step, we have to put x equal to z and y equal to 0 in the f dash of z. So આપણે બધી વેલ્યુઝ પુટ કરીએ. x ની જગ્યાએ શું પુટ કરશું? z, અને y ની જગ્યાએ 0. Then we will get these terms. Okay. And value of cos 0 is again 1. So we will get e raised to z into z plus 1. Okay. So this is our f dash of z. And in the fourth step, to obtain f of z, we have to integrate f dash of z. So integration કરીએ f dash of z નું. Then you all know the integration. Then answer will be z e raised to z plus c. Okay, so in this way you have to solve the examples by using Milnes method. So example 4. Find the analytic function f of z equal to u plus iv, whose real part is x by x square plus y square. Real part is given, it means u is given. So u is x by x square plus y square. The step 1 will be, you have to find del u by del x and del u by del y. So you will get del u by del x equal to this and del u by del y equal to this. You all know the division rule, okay, of differentiation. Then so you know how to find del u by del x and del u by del y. Okay, I am not showing it here, but you have to calculate it and show here. You will get these terms. Okay. So after this was your step 1. So what will be your step 2? To find f dash of z of real part. So you have to use the formula of the real part, that is del u by del x plus I del v by del x. But according to CR equations, del v by del x ની જગ્યાએ શું આવી જશે? minus del u by del y. Now you have both these values. તો આ બંને વેલ્યુઝ આમાં સબસ્ટિટ્યુટ કરીએ તો આપણને f dash of z મળશે. Okay. Then in the step 3, you have to put x equal to z and y equal to 0 in f dash of z. So f dash of z માં આપણું f dash of z છે અને એમાં આપણે વેલ્યુ પુટ કરીએ તો એ શું થઈ જશે? minus z square by z raised to 4. અને અહીંયા તો y0 પુટ કરશું એટલે આખી ટર્મ કેવી થઈ જશે? 0. So answer will be minus 1 by z square. And the last step, that is step 4, in order to obtain f of z, you have to integrate f dash of z. So integrating this term, you will get 1 by z plus c. So this is the final answer of this question. That is, this is the final f of z. Okay. So example 5. Find the analytic function u plus iv if u is given x minus y into x square plus 4xy plus y square and also find the conjugate harmonic function v. Okay, હવે અહીંયા આપણને એનાલિટિક ફંક્શન તો ફાઇન્ડ કરવાનું કીધું જ છે, બટ ઇટ ઇઝ ઓલ્સો આસ્ક્ડ ટુ ફાઇન્ડ ધ કોન્જુગેટ હાર્મોનિક ફંક્શન v. u આપેલું છે, સો કોન્જુગેટ હાર્મોનિક ફંક્શન શું થશે? v. ડેફિનેટલી ઇટ વિલ બી v. પણ જો અહીંયા v આપેલું હોત તો કોન્જુગેટ હાર્મોનિક ફંક્શન શું થાત? u થાત. ઓકે, so now again our u is given, multiplying it we will get this term, and the step 1 of the real part is you have to find del u by del x and del u by del y. So according to step 1 you have to find these terms. Okay, and after finding del u by del x and del u by del y you have to use the step 2, that is you have to put the values of f dash of z in the del u by del x minus I del u by del y. આ બે વેલ્યુઝ છે આમાં પુટ કરવાની છે આ ઇક્વેશનમાં, then you will get f dash of z. Okay, and the step number 3 is you have to put x equal to z and y equal to 0 in f dash of z. So આમાં આપણે x equal to z અને y equal to 0 પુટ કરશું તો આપણને f dash of z મળશે, અને એમાંથી હું જો એને સોલ્વ કરીએ તો આપણને શું મળશે? 3z square. Here also there is a square, because here if we will put x equal to z then we will get I into 3z square. If I take 3z square common then it will be 3z square 1 minus I. Now in order to obtain f of z we have to integrate f dash of z. Okay, f of z મેળવવા માટે આપણે f dash of z ને integrate કરશું. So f of z will be integration 3 into 1 minus I constant term છે, so integration of z square will be z cube by 3, and this 3 and this 3 will get cancelled, so we will get 1 minus I into z cube plus c. So this is the answer. But now it is also asked to find the conjugate harmonic function, and in order to find conjugate harmonic function we all know how to find the condition of conjugate harmonic function, that is f of z is equal to આ છે, so we can write that f of z is equal to u plus iv છે. So u plus iv is equal to this લઈએ, then u plus iv is equal to 1 minus I into z cube plus c. Okay, here in place of f of z what we have to substitute? u plus iv, conjugate harmonic function find કરવા માટે. But we know that z is equal to x plus iy, so જે આ z છે એની જગ્યાએ શું પુટ કરશું? x plus iy. So here in place of z I have substituted x plus iy cube plus c. Now you all know the formula of x plus iy cube, that is a plus b whole cube is a cube plus b cube plus 3a square b minus 3ab square. Okay, so by using this formula of a plus b whole cube you will get this term, and you will get the u plus iv form, and then comparing the imaginary and real parts we will get v. Okay, અહીંયા આપણને u આપેલું છે એટલે આપણે imaginary parts v જ ગોતવાનું છે, then only we will get conjugate harmonic function. But instead of u, if here v was given, then you have to find the real part u. v આપેલું હોય તો એનું કોન્જુગેટ હાર્મોનિક ફંક્શન u થશે, અને u આપેલું હોય તો એનું કોન્જુગેટ હાર્મોનિક ફંક્શન v થશે. એટલે આપણને u આપેલું છે, so conjugate harmonic function v થશે, અને v is what? Imaginary part, so we have to write the imaginary part. So we will get the answer. Okay, so the last example, show that u equal to 1 by 2 log into x square plus y square is harmonic and determine its analytic function and also find its conjugate. આમાં આપણને ત્રણ વસ્તુ ફાઇન્ડ કરવાની કીધી છે. we have to show that કે આ ફંક્શન હાર્મોનિક છે, એનું કોન્જુગેટ ફાઇન્ડ કરવાનું છે, અને એનાલિટિક ફંક્શન ફાઇન્ડ કરવાનું છે. and we know how to find analytic function. We can find analytic function by using Milnes method. Okay, but first of all we will show that the given function is harmonic. Okay, u આપેલું છે, હાર્મોનિક નું કન્ડિશન ખબર છે આપણને. we have seen in the previous lecture કે uxx plus uyy should be equal to 0. એટલે કે del square u by del x square plus del square u by del y square should be equal to 0. જો આ બંને ફાઇન્ડ કરીએ અને વેલ્યુઝ પુટ કરીએ તો આન્સર 0 આવતો હોય તો એ ફંક્શન કેવું થશે? હાર્મોનિક થશે. Okay, so we will find both these terms and substitute here. So del square u by del x square find કરતા પહેલા આપણે del u by del x find કરવું પડે. So we will find del u by del x. And after finding del u by del x, you have to find del square u by del x square. Similarly, you have to first find del u by del y and then you have to find del square u by del y square. Okay. So you have to substitute this value of del square u by del x square and del square u by del y square in this equation. This is our condition. So in this condition, you have to put both the values. Okay, so after putting both the values, we can see that both the terms will cancel out and answer will be 0. So that was the condition of harmonic function. So we can say that here uxx plus uyy is equal to 0. So given function is harmonic. Okay, so the given function is harmonic. Now we have to find the analytic function. Okay, so how we can find analytic function by using Milnes method. So again f dash of z is equal to del u by del x plus I del v by del x. But according to CR equations, we can write like this: del u by del x minus I del u by del y. So step 1 is you have to find del u by del x and del u by del y according to Milnes method. પણ એ આપણે already find કરી લીધું છે એટલે આપણે અહીંયા નથી લખ્યું. We are going to the step 2. That is, you have to put f dash of z equal to this. So આમાં del u by del x અને del u by del y ની values put કરવાની. Then you will get f dash of z. Then moving towards step 3 of Milnes method, you have to put x equal to z and y equal to 0 in this equation. So you will get this term, that is 1 by z. And step 4 will be, in order to obtain f of z, you have to integrate it with respect to z. So આનું integration કરીએ, then you will get log z plus c. So this is your answer. And this is your analytic function, f of z. Okay. Now what is told, you have to find its conjugate. Okay. So in order to find the conjugate, what is the formula we know? That is f of z આપેલું છે આપણને log z plus c. ઓકે, હવે આપણે જે પ્રીવિયસ એક્ઝામ્પલમાં કર્યું હતું એવી રીતના જ કરવાનું છે કે કોન્જ્યુગેટ ફાઇન્ડ કરવાનું કીધું છે. ઇટ મીન્સ કે u આપેલું છે તો ઇટ્સ કોન્જ્યુગેટ વિલ બી v, અને જો v આપેલું હોત તો એનું કોન્જ્યુગેટ શું થાત? u. તો આપણે આમાં v એટલે કે ઇમેજનરી પાર્ટ ફાઇન્ડ કરવાનો છે. ઓકે, સો અગેન f of z છે એ શું છે? log z plus c. બટ in place of f of z, I can write u plus iv. So here શું લખ્યું? u plus iv equal to log z plus c. But we know that z is equal to x plus iy. So I have substituted here log x plus iy plus c. હવે logarithmic function પ્રમાણે, in the previous lectures of logarithmic function, we have seen that કે જ્યારે log આવી રીતના હોય x plus iy, તો this is the form we get, that is log under root x square plus y square plus I tan inverse y by x plus c. So now if we compare it with u plus iv form, then we will get this is our real part and this will be our imaginary part. પણ આપણને શું કીધું છે કે u આપેલું છે અને કોન્જુગેટ ફાઇન્ડ કરવાનું કીધું છે. So its conjugate will be v and v is the imaginary part. So we have to compare only the imaginary part. So v will be tan inverse y by x plus c. Okay. So in this way you have to solve any given examples. These examples are asked in the GTU examinations and are very important examples. If you practice, these examples are very simple. Okay. So now I have given 3 examples of Milnes method for practicing. Do practice these examples at your home and consider it as assignment 2 and write in your assignment book. Okay. 3 examples are given. Do practice this example as this method is very important and asked in the GTU examination. Thank you everyone. I hope you all liked my video lecture. Thank you.